Hey there, it's Jess and Cliff. We're here to help you navigate the world of dryer shopping. Buying a dryer often coincides with getting a new washer. Did you know that both washer and dryer capacities have grown in the last decade? Ideally, your dryer capacity should be twice as large as your washer capacity for optimal performance. So remember this as you shop. On to what you should keep in mind when buying. The aspects to consider are space and configuration, budget, fuel type, colors, features, accessory, and a matching washer, of course. Dryers are designed to pair nicely with washers in the latest technology and much larger capacity, so you'll find options for top load, front load, portable, and space-saving washer and dryer combo units available to you. Your choice will depend on your space and the type of washer you have or are planning to get. Dryers are available in both electric and gas models. If you're buying a dryer for an existing home, the fuel type is usually pre-decided. Depending on your location, you might or might not have access to natural gas. Gas can be cost-effective and deliver quicker dry time, but electric models are efficient too. Color-wise, our dryers complement our washers beautifully. We have options from the timeless white to the modern finishes, including diamond gray, carbon graphite, and sapphire blue. And did we mention our sleek glass door models? Now, let's talk features. If you think a dryer just dries clothes, we've got some surprises for you. Modern dryers have advanced significantly, boasting sensors to protect your clothes from over-drying, meaning you can say goodbye to shrunken shirts. Additionally, our GE dryers can accommodate up to 120 feet of venting for more flexible installations. Not to mention features which save energy and time without compromising performance. As for accessories, here's a fun tidbit. Most electric dryers do not come with a dryer cord. This is because your home, depending on when it was built, might have a 3 or 4 prong outlet for your dryer. So do your homework before you go shopping. Also, dryer racks can be ordered for most models and are perfect for shoes or washable sweaters. And if you're replacing your dryer, it's a good time to replace the dryer duct too. Our genuine parts are tested to industry standards and built to last. For front-load models, risers or pedestals are popular. They lift your unit off the ground, making laundry less of a chore. If you're stacking your units, remember to order a stacking kit. And consider our dryer control feature, which allows control of the dryer from the washer. Depending on your outlet location, you might need a longer cord. And if you're tired of transferring loads between machines, check out our Profile brand Ultra Fast Combo with ventless heat pump technology, which washes and dries your clothes in one go. Oh, and don't forget to take a snapshot of our recap to aid your shopping adventure. So there you have it, your complete guide to buying a dryer.